All right, guys, we're about to start now. About to start. So let's do a quick swipe. Okay, guys, it's good to have you guys back on the stream. I was monitoring gold for a while, and it has just been dumping. So that being said, let's commence today. Evelyn Fowler, we thank you for this morning. We thank you for today, being the 24th of June. Bless your name for bringing us together today. Lord, as we about to start the stream, guide us and guide our step and guide our trees. May you speak, be a blessing to everyone who tune into this stream in Christ's name, Jesus. Jesus, most precious and holy am I prayed. Amen. Okay, guys, let's look at our first factory. Before I continue, um, I posted something last week that's about the whole news, about the whole war, Iran and Israel conflict. That's going to be an opportunity for us to make money. But since there's a new update on the whole war about a ceasefire, this means that the US economy is going to strengthen. Now, the dollar is going to be strong, which will make gold fall. So gold has been falling all day. It has literally been falling all day. You can see we usually have like a break and just set up here, the price falling down. So gold has been falling all day. So gold's looking for sell opportunity because the buyers too is the daily buyers is also bearish because yesterday ended as a bearish candle. You can see it. So we're looking for bears. So we're going to walk our way through and see how we can look for possible opportunities where we can grab anything from the market. So looking at our forest factory, first of all, we see that there's nothing going on, just a GPP news by 9 o'clock, which probably will be active by then. So just go over to our forest factory and just do what we know how to do best. So first thing we do, we go to our daily time frame and we clear up everything. We take off everything on the chart. That's what to do. And looking at the daily, we can see that the daily is very strong, like very sentiment is very strong. And price already moved over 400, like 400. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. So how can we now in this entire move? How can we capitalize it? How can we look for opportunities where we can go for either buys or shorts? Like I said, the buyers is bearish, we're looking for sales. But how can we look for any opportunities in this market? Because just we are reacting based on price action. That's the whole information of today. We're reacting based on price action. Now going to my 4 hour time frame, I see that on my 4 hours price, the 4 hours count is breaking below this support level. This is a support level of 4 hours. Hopefully, you respect on the hourly count. So this is 4 hours, and this is also the level it has broken below. So this is the level broken. You can see strong, very strong candle. This candle just started about 2 hours ago, less than 2 hours ago, like 1 hour, 1 hour 50 minutes or so. You can see how strong this bearish candle is. But let's scale down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if you can get any opportunities or we can't get it. Now, first of all, I can't start looking to just click sales here. I need some kind of confirmation. And the confirmation I need a retracement. I need price like retracing to the upside. Hold on, guys. I need price kind of retracing, then I can look for opportunities like I look for a bullish candle, like price splitting some bullish candles to the upside. You get me? Like bullish candle like this. Don't mind my drawing, guys. Like bullish candle like this. Might not really get to this level. Might not really get to this level. Just creates a kind of resistance level, and I can look to sell the price to the downside. You get me? So this is something else I can look for. Or price can decide to break below the structure because this is a very strong level. It's a very strong level. So price can decide to break below the structure. You can look for a retest of the structure and you can sell. So that being said, this is a 1 hour time and it has not ended. So the 1 hour I see struggling to tell us this buyer. So if I go to the 30 minutes time frame, if I scroll to my left, because there's nothing I can do with my current so to my left, this is where I have my structure and it's still holding for now on the 15 minutes as well. By 15 minutes, I think 15 minutes broke below. I think the 15 broke below. Let's confirm. Yeah, the 15 broke below, but the current candle now is pushing bullish. So it has not ended. We have about 12 minutes. So let's see how this current candle will end. It's going to say a lot. It's actually going to say a lot about the whole stuff. So looking at the 15 minutes, this is going to be my 15 minutes support. So we have like a 15 minute support down here now. Because this, so we have like a 15 minute support. So let's see how the whole price close in next 12 minutes. They will know exactly what we're going to do. So for now, like I said, if I'm looking for sales, I want price to like trace back to the upside a bit, like just do small retracement to the upside, like just move up a bit, like then create level like this, then we can look to sell. You get, or if it breaks below this structure as well, we can look to sell to the downside. So this is what I'm looking for on gold. This is what I basically anticipate on gold to do. So for buys, if I should look for any buying opportunities on gold, now the buying opportunity I can currently see right now on gold, which looks like it might happen. You get, the only reason why I'm not continuing this right now is because of the whole bias, and price might likely see push up from here based on it already moved over 100. You can, based on price already moves like a lot to the downside. So now looking at my left hand side, this is a level where price rejects from a lot. You see this rejection, this rejection. You see, if you go back, you can see price is always rejecting from that level. So if this candle close bullish and create some kind of level, you might see a bullish continuation for price to push up. You understand? So you can actually buy the price to sell the price. I don't know if that makes sense. But we can actually buy the price to sell the price. But looking at this one in 30 minutes, it is it's kind of closing as weak. So let us wait and see how it close, then we know how we're going to react. So this is basically 10 minutes to the end of the country. So we're approaching London section. London section starts in the next 10 minutes. So we know what exactly we want to do once the candle closes. So that's what I'm seeing currently on gold. And I'll let you guys know. Like I said, price might actually push up from here as well. Price might actually push up from here. But it should be like you can see price might just repeat what it did on the left hand side. You can see the structure. And this happened like towards the close of the market to stand. So price can just repeat what it did on the left hand side, closing like this, do a bit of retest and push to the upside. So that's another thing that price might likely do on this chart. Okay. So let's go over to, let's just wait. Since we're waiting for this candle to close, let's go over to GJ and let's see what GJ is doing. So yesterday I talked about a buy, like looking for price to retrace the buying market. That's exactly what price did here. Price trace, this was my level, but price didn't really come down to the level I was looking for. So just squeaked out. You could get a buy from here, stop loss below 19 pip, and price moved about 40 pips. So that would have been a good buy for over that buyers yesterday. Now let's do a quick breakdown on GJ as well. And so a quick breakdown on GJ. So I'm moving everything. Now GJ books and close above this level here. You can see this break and close above this level, which means our price can likely come above on this level. And we have about 180 to the upside. That's what we're currently seeing on gold. Now, how will I try to place a trade on gold on GJ? Sorry, how I look for any sentiment or any buy. So looking at the structure now, I need price to do some price doesn't range in, so you see it's already giving some rejection. So I need price to create like a level of support and level of resistance. Now I can see already that price is giving me some kind of structure form. You see this is already a support or resistance. This is basically a resistance level being formed in this structure. You can see this. It's currently holding the current 1 hour candle, which is failing to break and close above. So that I can see here. And if I go to the 30 minutes time frame, I'll just adjust the level a bit to the upside. So if I go to 30 minutes, you can see that the level needs to be around this level. So you can see it. This is where the place is. So if you can get a break, if price actually wants to continue to the upside, if you can get a break and closure above this place, then you can buy to the upside. You can buy to this exact level here, which is around 90 pips. So Just once you just get a bullish closure above the structure, like the candle closing bullish like this is not my Nigerian. Then just wait for a retest, then you just buy. So you understand? So this is something I'm looking at on GJ. If you get this on GJ, then it's a good opportunity for us to buy. Just a good opportunity for us to buy. With that being said, even for sales too, if you're looking for sales, since the you can sell below this area here. Once price goes below this structure here, because this is also a support level. So once you get a closure below this structure here, once you get a closure below here, then you can actually sell the pair. You can actually look to sell the pair to the downside. So you can sell the pair to this exact spot. So you can if you get like a bearish closure below structure like this, price closing below this level, you can look for a retest, then you can sell the price. So this is something else we can actually anticipate price to do on GJ. So that being said, I think that'll be all. That'll be all. While we wait for Go to tell us what exactly he wants, like his direction, basically for Go to tell us his direction. Then we know the next procedure to do. So let's look at other pairs. BTC, nothing going on. Let us wait for gold. Let's wait for gold. Let's see. I'm trying not to be. I'm trying not to be jumpy or just rush any trades. You get me? So I'm trying to wait for price to, because this candle alone, this 150 minutes candle, is, I think it's over 50 people. Yeah, you can say it's 70 people candle. So this price is very volatile. Like volatility, the volume is a lot. So I advise you to reduce your lot size. If you're using like a one lot, half it to like 0.50. If you're using 0.50 lots, half it to like 25 or even 0.10. You get, because you can easily just get 100 people move on gold. Okay, easily get 100 people move on gold. So guys, let's just wait and let's see how the candle close. The yeah, you know. The reason why I might not even give this opportunity for buy, because yes, we have got a support, but we have no resistance. So I need a resistance and a break of resistance for me to look for a possible buy. So I might not give this an opportunity. But let me take a look at my left hand side. Let me see what price did in the past. So let me see if I can get let me see what price in the past, so I can know how I can likely react to this. Let me see what price did. So when price came down here, what did it do? It just created an engulfing candle. Price just created an engulfing candle. Yeah, this is very somehow. Oh my god, is this a fake out? It's a fake out because price losing below the structure. Going to continue. This looking like a fake out though. This is looking like a fake out. Let's wait. Sales will be better. Let's just wait. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. We have like basically have like 50 minutes, 40 minutes for the stream end. I have about 50 to 40 minutes for the stream end. So I believe that we might likely get an opportunity by then, but by now to that time. So let's just see how the stream goes. Then we know how we would execute. So we basically have about 30 minutes. Yeah, about 3 minutes, sorry, for the panel to end. Let's see how that goes. waiting to see confirmations, then basically. Waiting, guys. Let's see. Hey guys. So what's going to happen here is that considering this trade, but if it's closed this way, I'm just going to wait. Because I'm just going to wait for price to do its thing. But if it's looking like, let's just say it ends, probably you look for opportunities like price between above this level. But it depends on how this next candle ends. So like, the setup is like a fake out, basically like fake out. So let's see how it ends. Then, yeah, we need price to push down. Then once you push down, it's trying to break above, let's say buy stop or something like that. Then we just reduce the risks and we'll see. Let's see how it goes. Okay, price says close. How did it close? Okay, if you push up and push, that's it. That's it. I'm not interested in this trade. I'm not interested in this trade, guys. So, I'm not interested in this trade. You can see the 1 hour to kind of close. Yeah. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. So what's going to happen right now is that um this will be my new low. This is my new low. Like, this is the low I have here. So in order for me to do anything, if I can get some kind of resistance level, two things can happen here. Either I get a resistance here for a buy, or I get a resistance for a sell. So let's just wait and see. Depends on how. It just all depends on how candles close. Just depends on how the candle close. Wait, guys. Listen, guys. Let's see how this 15 minutes end. So this 15 minutes will tell a lot of what I'm going to do. We're just waiting for this candle to end. So once this 15 minutes end, we know, because on the 1 hour as well, you see the 1 hour. Take a look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour closed below this level as well. So I'm looking for like a retest for us to continue selling. So let's see if we get this. If we want to get this, then we can look to sell the market. We likely sell. So we need a bearish closure. We need a bearish closure. So once we get that, then we make for options. You can see the price is even still dancing above. But I would prefer price to push bullish. Let's see, or maybe we just wait for it to close break below the low. Because let's look at our left hand side. Damn. Yeah. This is very risky trade. That's good. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait and see. If we get a bearish closure, we just wait for price to reject it a bit. Let's see the range. Then you can sell. As long as it doesn't push too down, you can get a retracement. And it should be like, let's just scan the close first. The structure is not as clear as, it's not very clear. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. I prefer a better sales would be below the structure. But let's wait. Let's wait to see how this structure goes. Let's say it ends. Yes. 30 minutes will be good too. Let's wait. In the next 15 to 30 minutes, I believe we should get a nice setup. Let's wait. And you know, one hour structure. This is like a 1 hour break, and like this is like my entry on 1 hour time frame. Suppose above here, let's see 7p price. Let's put my entry would have been like below the structure here, or probably the entry would have been below the 5 minutes because price came down, pushed up. So like entry here, stop loss above 40. This would have been okay. This trade would have been okay. It's now I would have moved myself close to break even. Hopefully this trade doesn't move push because I like the whole setup. I like the whole idea of this trade. But it doesn't push so much because I want to get in as well before the trade leaves me. Damn it, it's gone. So that would actually been a nice trade. Actually been a nice trade. Now we wait. Let's see if we get the 15-minute breaking below this low. Let's see if we get the 15. But the trade, this was the trade. Like this is like a 1 hour setup. I just noticed it. This is a 1 hour setup. This is actually my setup on another time frame. Like I just noticed it. But the entry was the problem. So if I've entered it in 5 minutes, let's say enter this trade. I would have it was even that possible for me to enter it even in 5 minutes. So I'm in 5 minutes setup. Put stop loss like above this place here. This 1p. Price is approaching 31p as well. Yeah, 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Anyways, let's wait for the 15 minutes. Then we get like a proper setup. Let's wait for the 15 minutes. It's breaking below the low now, so hopefully it doesn't push through. It doesn't push down too much. Like it still stays within the zone, so we can look for an opportunity. So that I can say now. Hopefully it doesn't push too down. Why for GJ? What is GJ doing currently? Okay. I spoke about GJ, and GJ is kind of closing below in next 2 minutes. One place below. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. Or let's stick to gold. I prefer gold anytime, any day. So let's say I go 2 minutes. 2 minutes would say a lot. I need this panel to close strong bearish before I can do anything. You get I need price close strong bearish before I can consider doing anything on the chart. So let us wait and let's see what we do. Let us wait. Give me a second, guys. I know you have 1 moment left, but just give me 1 second. I want to quickly get something. I'll be back. Give me 1 minute. Okay, sorry, my mic was off. Let me see. So I was saying that the 15 minutes close, like I like the way the 15 minutes close. So what's going to happen is that I need price to kind of, since it closed this week, which is good. You understand? It has created a resistance for me, and also giving me a support level. So I need price to kind of, since like this, just either I close like this, so I can look for opportunities to buy, like price retesting structure, then I can buy it to the upside. So this is what I'm looking for. Or I just wait for, since the initial bias is still bullish and bearish, so I wait for price to like close below here, which should be close over 30 minutes. Then I can look for opportunities to like sell the price. You get me? So this is what I want. So I just want to use this London volume. Like this is what you should just do what I need to do. If you get a trade, make money and just leave, because the longer you stay in the charts, the more likely you are to lose money. So I just want to just be in and get the fuck out. And in and out. So I like saying, in as much I like making money, I don't like staying in the charts for too long. It's not good. Like, it's not good mentally. So I just want to be in, do my shit and get out. Let's see. We have 11 more minutes. So let's see what's going to happen in 11 minutes. To get a closure below or above. And that being said, I forgot GJ. What GJ doing? Okay, GJ closed very well. Okay, GJ closed very well. I think I might give GJ a shot. GJ closed very well. Okay, GJ. If I'm to enter GJ will be like somewhere around here. 30 minutes. What is 30 minutes doing? Okay, this will be the entry. 26 before plus. Only 26 before plus. GJ did very well. I might likely give it DJ a shot, but my surplus would be wherever this candle is. So wherever it is that I want to put my surplus. It looks clean. Looks clean. Let's see if I can give this a shot. So let's see. Let's see if I can give it a shot. So let me check my rigs on the table. It looks good. So if we get a bearish flip, this is where I put my stop loss. My stop loss is going to be, once this candle just flip bearish and breaks this low, I'm going to go shorts on GJ. So probably cover this range. Yeah, I know the bias is bullish, but we could get something here. My so I like where I put my stop loss. This is where I put my stop loss. Usually looks good. I'm doing a sell stop once it breaks the low. I'm not in yet, but once it breaks its own low, once this candle play bearish and break its low, I'll go for shots. Then my stop loss like I put structure here. So it's good. So let's see how it plays out. I'm waiting on GJ. Let's see if GJ will give us anything. Says my sell stop is at 196.932. That's my stop loss is. But on my phone, on my MT5, my entry is at my phone, my entry is at 196.947. That's my entry is on my phone. Let's see. Let's see if this play out. If we don't, in the next 8 minutes, no, not 8 minutes. Once it's 5 minutes to the end of the 30 minutes, if it doesn't activate us, then I would lead my sell stop. Like once it remains 5 minutes to the end of the candle, I'm going to just take out my sell stop. Okay. Let's see. So we're waiting to see what's gonna happen here. Waiting to see what's gonna happen here. I want to get triggered. I'm not. Waiting to see, guys. GJ. So let's look at gold quickly. So gold is still in the range. Gold is in the range. So let's. So I place my sell stop on. I don't usually send GJ on my Telegram group. It's mostly gold I trade there. So you guys can just copy the whole setup. This is like the entries and stop loss. So that's it. So we have about 6 candle close. Once it gets to 5 more minutes, I'll just delete my sell stop and wait. Even though I know that there's possibility of trade moving down. But the problem with GJ is that GJ cannot be gold. Gold can activate me in 1 minute and still move my way, but I will still won't reach it. But GJ volume, GJ doesn't move that much, so I won't. There's no need. Like gold can literally activate me, like 1 minute to the end of the candle, and in that 1 minute, I can get my entire money I need for the day. Let's see. Let's see how the trade plays out. We have about 6 more minutes, so I think I'll be getting ready. Even though it's kind of like literally flipping now, so I'm getting ready to delete the sell stop and wait. I just delete it and wait for the candle to close. I might still put it. I might still put it back in, but I don't want to get activated and price the next candle price now struggle. Or this is not the high that price was created. Like the next candle price I decide to place is high before coming down. I don't understand if you get. So let me better I just stay off it for now and just see how it plays out. You get me? Let's wait. So 3 more seconds in the end of the candle, and I'm looking to delete. Yeah, I'm looking to delete my sell stop now. I'm waiting. I'm just deleting it. I'm waiting. This one won't do it. So I'm waiting. So let's go back to gold. Let's see what we're doing. So gold is still struggling. Nothing to see. 30 minutes is basically still struggling. What is here? So I think I'll still wait for. Normally I should be looking to round up, but I'll still wait for the next 15 minutes. Let me see what the what Argo is going to respond here. So I'm going to wait. I'm just going to wait for the next 15. So if I get the opportunities, call it out, try and trade it. Okay. Gold is pushing up now. So let's see. So which should I going to enter? Is it going to be GJ or is it going to be gold? So let's see. Look at something here. Okay. I've deleted my GJ. Looking like going to activate me now, but I've deleted it. Like I'm not in GJ. I've deleted GJ. GJ just hits like entries as when we're in and it hits entry and you rejected it. So this is why you need to wait. See. Let me take this out first so you guys know that I'm not in any trade though. I'm waiting. Back to gold. So gold push up now. How you fumbling like this? Push up. close. Just 2 more minutes. Like, try and close. Try and close. Try and close the ball this level, man. I prefer to trade gold anytime than to trade GJ. So GJ, sorry GJ, I'm not saying with you, but what is MVP? What is MVP, man? I don't think gold is ready, but you can just surprisingly get one surveillance count with something like this. Woo! And okay, once is like this is something that good can do. Like it's something good can do. Okay, GG has trace. You see, we never got activated though. We never got activated. You see, I came down, say close, and jetted back. But some brokers can be dangerous. Like you can see the DGJ now. Assuming we left ourselves stop here, okay? Some brokers can just find a way to tap you in. They just tap you in. Now you're being usually be struggling in drawdown. Now you're usually in drawdown like this. Now. Usually in drawdown. You get. So wait for the 30 minutes. Alright, the 30 minutes is closing. It's closing below. So instead of that, I think I'll just trace the incremental sales for the main item for the day is not paying out. Because it's not paying out because it's not looking like it wants to do anything. So let's just wait. So wait for the next 15 minutes. Like just the next 15. Gold sales. It's looking good for sales. It's looking good for sales though. It's closing below the structure. It's closing below that structure on 30 minutes. Wait though. What might be good for sales? Okay. No, never mind. Never mind, guys. Never mind, guys. Never mind. Let's just wait. Even DJ rejected. So I'm putting back the sales stop. Putting back the sales stop, yeah. Even though I can use the 30 minutes. 30 minutes would have been good. I'm putting back the sales stop. What else? Putting back the sales stop. So from here to this point is what? 6p. Putting back the sales stop. The same sales stop I had before. Not so much. Same sales stop. What about gold? So people can decide to just pump. Pew. Anyway, sure, we're waiting. We're waiting for gold. Let's see. For gold. The 30 minutes is looking like yeah, we look above 30 minutes candle. Going my drive. Just keep pushing upward. Yeah. I saw this coming from a mile away. This is what we call impulsive entries. Like impulsive, they don't wait for any. It don't give you any confirmation. You just start pushing. If you have not entered, this would have been the entry above this previous. Uh, man, over time, this will. If you keep trading like this, you end up playing a bad habit. And once you have that bad habit, it will almost be like impossible for you to get off it. And when the because impulsive entry always have like a phase it works. Okay, we're about to get triggered in, guys. About to get triggered in. About to get triggered, guys. Where's my stop? Where's my take? Come on, guys. That's not in. Wow. Wow. I'm trying to set my stop, but it's not setting. I don't know why. Set stop. It's not setting. I don't know why. Came close again, but not triggered. We need to see. We need to fight another day. Leave to fight another day. Leave to fight another day. Why gold is chasing down a bit now? Yeah. So we're waiting. Just wait for the next 15. Forget about GJ. I don't think I want to trade GJ anymore. So just forget about GJ and just wait on gold. Just wait on gold. If gold doesn't play out, then that's it. Gold is already pushing too much. It's already 50 pips, 60 pips. That's crazy. Oh, damn. Damn. Anyways, let's just wait. Let's see how everything plays out. Let's wait. Wait and see how everything plays out. How do you think, guys? I like this today, man. I like this today. Is it gonna be gold? Is it gonna be GJ? Is it gonna be gold? Is it gonna be GJ? Normally by this time I'm already done more. I feel like sort of something going to happen. So I don't feel like I'm ready because once I close my laptop, I've closed my laptop. Once I've off my system, that's it for me. Since long. So unless I'm actually looking for setup or something, you get. So I actually feel like this is the time I'm usually off chat, but I feel like something is going to happen. So I'm looking this particular candle. I'm looking at this candle. This candle might give us. Did it have it? But yeah, it did small. This particular candle might give us a trade. So let's see. So let's wait and see. So retracement should do that much. Let's wait and see. cold, cold. Slow down. Okay, see us playing around there. Although it closed above this 5 minutes level, we're testing this 5 minutes level. So let's see how the higher time frame will respond to it. So we have about 7 more minutes. So let's see how it plays out. 7 minutes we define a lot. So if you get bullish closure like the way it is right now, so I'm looking at both my resistance level. Look at the bullish closure the way it is now. I need like a retest, then we likely buy last tip or using the retest, then we likely buy. That's all we're waiting for right now. So let's see. Or probably this kind of stuff can decide to flip bearish. Yes, this particular can decide to flip bearish. Let's see. So waiting, guys. We're waiting. Five more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Oh. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Will I? This is going to happen in 5 more minutes. Will I regret waiting, or will I be just waiting? Because if I get a trade, it's going to hit me SL or it's going to go my way. So there's only two ways. Once you place a trade, there's only two ways the price can go. Either you make money or you don't. You understand? Like that's the only two things that can happen in the markets. Like just set your mind down. Like will I make money from the trade or will I not? Understand? As long as you have your weeks and people like you're okay with whatever going to lose, like this is what I have to lose on this trade. So that's it. Just set your mind to it. Like two scenarios: I make money or I don't. Simple, easy peasy. Not really easy peasy though, but easy peasy. Just the only problem why sometimes we don't get comfortable with it is that our risks. Understand? Sometimes you over risks. So when we over risks, like if you're always feeling like when you enter trading, you always has to be same factor. Just so that you're probably risking too much or you're over trading or you're risking too much basically. You're over leveraging, you're doing everything wrong. You get me? So but when you set like or probably probably trading with your last money, like all your savings, like use that money, nothing is coming back again. Then why you press your trade, you have to be busy fast. But if you are chilled and you trust your system and you know what it is, you always have to trust the process. Take it slow, take it easy. Then over time it can compound or better still you can take profit and make better money. So that's just it. That's just the two sides of the game. So this is it's kind of retracing now. So let's see it. You have about 3 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let's wait and see what it does to them. We'll go inside what it does. So you need 60 minutes just close below. That's it. I'm done. 1 minute 40 seconds. Man. Okay, that's it. So let's see if we're going to get. So let's see if we're going to get like retracements. Like retracements, then we can buy. Let's see. If we just push stop first, that's it. Let's see if we're going to get like a retracement. That's what we need. That's saying. Let's wait. Let's see if we get that retracement, then we can look to buy something. Price push down more. I can't enter a trade in first 1 minute, so I need price to push down more. This won't keep. Oh, I didn't tie it on time. Damn it! Come on, Agul, why you feel like this? Why would you behave like this? It's back at the entries. Nah, I'm actually sure anymore. Nah, I'm actually sure anymore. Nope. This is me setting myself up for failure. So look at it on the 5 minutes. Look at it on the 5 minutes. This is like just basically price retesting. Nah, I don't know. So guys, this is me saying goodbye to everybody. Like this is where I'm ending the stream. Like I'm not interested in all this is garbage. Like this is price doing rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. Rubbish. Like I can't be part of this. So the only thing that can happen right now is like you wait for sales. Sales are the better opportunities here. Thank God the price is what it did. I'm not interested in this trade anymore. I'm not interested in looking like Jack anymore today. So what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Probably if you get okay, this is something that can happen. You can get a sell below the structure here. If price close below here, you get like a bearish closure below the structure here. Price closing bearish like this below the structure. Okay, so you have about 30 pip range if I'm not mistaken. You have about 30 pip range, so you can get a sell below the structure. I'm not looking for buys, guys. No more. So you can see about 10,000 pips. So to get a closure below here, you can look for selling opportunities, but I'm not looking for buys. The way the candle moved just now was crazy, and it should move that way. You get, so you can see it's moved up and it came down back. So this is probably just activating people, and on the 5 minutes you have a lot of it's creating bearish structure. So the only way you can probably look to buy this pair right now is if this structure closes bullish. Let's say you get the bullish closure, like price closing like bullish, then you can look to, let's say price close this 1 minute now, the watch close bullish like this. Then you can look to buy price breaks above. Then you put your stop loss below this 5 minute structure. That's like the best you can do. And now you're supposed to be like around like around 20 people. You can see 31 people. So well, I'm not interested in trade. I'm not interested in anything going on in the market. I waited for possible setup and the price didn't play out. So what can likely happen is like the 30 minutes can end weak bear. Should I just wait? So if this candle ends weak bullish, you can place a sell stop below. And I anticipate you that I can tell you that if the change trigger is going to go down, going to push down like rapidly. But I don't know if I should wait for this or I'll just call it out. Should I wait? Okay, just 10 minutes away. You can wait 10 minutes. Let's see if we can wait. Let's just wait for 10 minutes. Let's wait. So two things can happen. Either price close big blue or this candle just close below the structure. Then close below the structure, then we can look for opportunities to sell. Yeah. So I've adjusted my resistance. So this is what we're working with right now. So let's wait and see how this closes. So if 30 minutes close the way I want, then I'm going to give it a try. Let's wait. You have 10 more minutes. Oh damn, I don't want to be in chat anymore. But let's wait. Like I said, I have a strong feeling that something will happen. I will likely get an opportunity in the market. So let's wait. Let's wait. If you don't get anything, then I know we didn't get anything. But let us wait and see how the candles close. Then we know what we want to do. So guys, give me a second, then let me just quickly do something, and I'll be back. Then we can continue from where we have stopped. So that's it. So this kind of show can see the size of people and push up. But I'm not interested in that. I'm not interested in that because of the way the candle just did. So I'm not interested in that at all. So let's wait. I was literally about to type a buy setup on the chat. Like I was literally about to type it. I've typed everything. Those of me should just post it. I'm quite just what it did. So let's wait. I don't mind waiting today. So let's wait and see how the price goes. I don't know exactly what I want to do. I don't mind waiting. I'm back, guys. 30 minutes. But if 30 minutes to close 15, let's be watching. I'm not gonna tell you. Let's just be watching. Let's be watching. All we need is closure. We're not doing any impulsive entry or anything. We're waiting. Yes, we're waiting. So I'll be back, guys. Just give me 2 minutes and I'll be back.